Miss Clara settled into her favorite armchair, her spectacles perched on her nose as she stitched a patch onto her well-worn quilt. On the table before her sat the old button box, its tin sides dented with age, its faded floral lid mysteriously askew. Now, where did I put that blue button? She mused, rummaging through the colorful pile. Suddenly, her fingers brushed something unfamiliar. A small brass key wedged beneath a velvet button she'd never seen before. Miss Clara examined the key, curiosity flickering in her eyes. It was too delicate for any of her doors, and yet it seemed to beckon her toward a secret. "Well, you're certainly not one of mine," she murmured, setting aside her needle. Peering into the box, she noticed an odd seam in its velvet lining, one she'd never seen before. Carefully, Miss Clara slipped the key into the hidden seam. With a soft click, a false bottom popped open, revealing a faded photograph and a tightly folded note. "Good gracious, what's all this?" she exclaimed, her heart fluttering with anticipation. Hands trembling, Miss Clara unfolded the paper. It read, "For the finder of this box, seek the Rose Gate at dawn, and you shall discover what was once lost." The Rose Gate, that must be old Mrs. Weatherby's garden, she realized, remembering the overgrown archway at the edge of the village. Miss Clara paused before the tangled rose gate, her breath curling in the cool air. She slipped the key into the rusty padlock, and with a hopeful twist, it opened. Behind the gate, hidden beneath a wild tangle of briars, was an old wooden chest. Miss Clara read the first diary entry, tears pricking her eyes. It told of a long-lost love and a promise to reunite. She smiled, clutching the treasures to her heart, grateful for the mystery that had brought new warmth to her quiet days. Some mysteries are meant to be discovered, she whispered, watching the roses sway in the fresh morning